Welcome back to the series. Today we are developing the forgot password UI. As seen on the screen, we will create a simple and elegant form where users can enter their email to retrieve a password reset link. Then let's get started. Let's get the full space by adding flex 1, and we have to add a background color as well, black. Let's check the design. Right, let's bring the back button to this screen. We can copy and paste that's okay. Go to the register.js. And let's copy this section and we can paste it here. You can quickly bring the styles. All right. Now we have to design this part. This is very straightforward. We have to make all the elements to the center. Let's go and copy the logo area. Okay, paste it here. And the styles as well. Make it red. Let's add this text. You can define a style. Okay, we can duplicate that and we can add the passage to here. Head text, subtext. Now you can do the styling here. Copy this, paste it here. Let's add a background color. This is too thin. Let's increase that. All right. Align center. Give a margin top to the forgot password. Okay, then do the changes. Let me reduce the height a bit. Add a margin top. We have to change the subtext color because it's not white. All right. Okay, now we can do the copy and pasting. Copy this and paste it here. We need to bring the styles as well. Let's add a background color of red. And you can adjust the sizes along with the design. We will keep a space to the button, send email button. Let's change this. We can copy the button and we have to paste it here. And now we can remove the background color. Okay, change this to send email. Let's change this a bit. All right, that wraps up our forgot password screen tutorial. If you're enjoying this series and finding the tutorials useful, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This way, you won't miss out on the rest. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.